Hi everyone, welcome to ABCD of Drawing. This is a beginner's level drawing tutorial, and in this series I'm going to teach you how to draw flowers in very simple step-by-step method. So far we have drawn A for anemones, B for buttercups, C for calla lilies, D for daffodils, E for euphorbias, F for fuchsias, and G for gazanias. Today we are going to learn how to draw H for hibiscus. Okay, first we are going to draw a circle with our pencil. This does not have to be a perfect circle. Now first we will draw a stamen coming out of almost the center of our circle. Now we will draw 5 petals of hibiscus. We will make the end of these petals a little rough and wavy. Now we will draw some curvy wavy lines inside our petals to give it a more interesting look. Now we will darken the area around our stamen to make it look like it is coming from the deep. At the end of our stamen, we will draw some tiny lines and tiny circles on top of it. And the front view of our flower is complete. Now we will draw the side view. For the side view, first we will draw an oval shape with our pencil. Now we will draw our stamen just like we did before. Now we will draw 5 petals inside our oval. I like to start from the center and then draw the other leaves around it. Now we will fill our petals with some curvy wavy lines. And then we will darken the area around our stamen to make it look like it is coming from a deeper place. Now let's draw one more flower. This time we will draw a V shape and connect it with a curve. Now we will draw a circle at the corner of our V. Then we will draw 3 sepals. And now we will draw our petals inside the rough shape that we have just drawn. We will fill our petals with some rough lines. The hibiscus leaves have a little spiky outlines. So if you have problem drawing these kind of leaves, then first you can draw a smooth leaf with a pencil and then add the spikes with a pen. So we have learned how to draw hibiscus flower. Now let's incorporate what we have just learned into an illustration. I hope I was able to explain properly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.